Hey guys, another one. Here, a continuous video. Check it out, please. All right, it's ready to check in here. We go to the lobby. Oh, that's a big door. All right, okay. Let's see, there's the check-in. Okay, hello. All right, I'm checking in.
I need an ID.
Yeah. My last name's Urat. I have a reservation. Sure.
You just made the reservation.
Through Expedia. You need my confirmation number? I can give you that.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
How should they go?
It's been long. I just driving up from Jacksonville, going to Ohio. I can't believe how many accidents there are.
Wow.
Is that normal? I mean, I never heard of that. It's just every 15, 20 miles there's something, slow down. Crazy. And then 26 was bad too.
Wow.
Just, and there's no reason, just before Columbia. Just I mean, and then after Columbia, it was like all the way around.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good, at least,
Yeah. He's at 217. Let's see. 218, 226, 217. Here we go. Okay. Where's the thing? All right, guys. Okay. All right. Hey. Welcome home for tonight. Oh, not bad. Not bad at all, guys. Pretty nice. Big TV, microwave, fridge. Got it all here. And guess what? The air conditioning is not set on 61 like it was before. Yeah. Okay, I'll figure that out later. I need my glasses because I can't see anything. All right, guys, what I'm doing now, I'll go get myself something to eat like I did last time. And by the way, this hotel is really close to where I stayed on my way driving down here. So I'm actually gonna go to the same place and pick up, but this time I don't know what it's gonna be. We'll see. I see you there. Well, one thing I can tell you, I think everybody's shopping today at this time, or they only have so many cards. So, let's see what we are gonna get here. Something to eat. Let's see. All right. So say hello fresh. You guys remember. I don't want that. I think, but I do get myself. I'll get myself a salad. So like I did last time. And I think, since I have a microwave there, why not microwave something? That'd be actually good. Okay, not quite sure what I should get. What is this? Chipotle boneless pork ribs. That's a lot. I guess I see you can microwave this stuff. Yeah. It's even actually recommended. Let's see some more. I think I found what I wanted here. It's like this coconut Thai coconut chicken. That's exactly what I'm gonna have. That sounds pretty good. And that will be it. Okay, I've been here in my hotel room doing a lot of editing of my other videos and stuff, and of course watching mindless TV Food Network, which is horrible. It's catastrophic. It's all they have is competition food shows. Whatever happened to that channel? It's very sad. But like I am going to get up in the morning, and they have a full breakfast. That's what it said, actually, on that's what the guy told me on here in the hotel room, which is nice. And then I think I will be another, oh my gosh, I think 7 hours, something like that, 7.5 to go back, which is the hard part. And yeah, so, but like some people or some, I don't know, fellow YouTubers say, I know there's this guy, this English guy, he always likes that. And when he talks about it, and he says, "Oh, I'm so completely shagged," which I love. But anyway, yeah, I am a little bit tired, so I am shagged, and I'll talk to you in the morning. All right, have a good night.